This is the personal life of dogs. Rocky! That's Rocky and that's Cassie. This is the personal life of them. And this is... Oh my god, that boy is so fat. Cassie! Rocky! Stop moving! You move too fast. You're fat! You're fat! We can't see your face, you're fat! Okay, we can see your face! Cassie! You don't move so much. You're fat. Yeah, this is the secret life of dogs. My baby's Rocky and Cassie. That's Hachi right there. And that's Rocky jumping all over the place. Hey, I can see your face now, kinda. What you biting on? Tennis ball? Ew, get that off me. Cassie. Rocky, is it fun? Say bark. Say bark. Walk. Rocky. Rocky. Okay, let's talk about me a little bit. I'm Trinisa. Yeah. I got a camera for my birthday. My birthday is August 2nd. I'm at my cousin's house, Giovanni, and my brother Michael, and my cousin's cousin Gianna. Yeah. So I'm recording myself. Yeah. I love video games. I love Kingdom Hearts. It's so freaking cool. My life is crazy. Yeah. I'm recording myself because I'm cool. So I can do that. I love an 1850 St. Paul Street. Yeah. We will be after these commercials. I'm back. Now it's back at the Secret Life of Dogs. Goodbye. Cassie, Rocky. Oh, they went BB. Hi. You probably hear them saying, "Can you tie my shoe? Can you tie my shoe?" No. I don't think so.
Take a video of me right now.
I am videoing myself, man. I want to be a
video of me.
Alright, hurry up, fool.
Okay, boys, we're gonna take it nice. No, stop. We're gonna take it nice. And...
Back to me. See, that's my crazy cousin. Yeah. And another little boy was my brother. I'm in Greece. Yeah. Shut up, you crazy! I love Family Guy. It's funny.
Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Park your bikes, boys.
Nah, I don't feel like that. I just do that to be funny.
Yeah, come on.
I just do that to make people laugh. Yeah, I'm a professional actor. But no, not really. I don't want to be actor.
Come on, we're gonna go on a hunt.
Yep.
Move. Okay.
So
go
yeah.
get it. Come on.
Cool.
We're gonna go on a hunt.
Now my life is so freaking cool. Yep. Yeah, this is my page. Just featuring other people. This is just me. What did you say? What? I'm just gonna. Alright. Yeah. Peace out, Mom. Peace to the Middle East.